It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This video series is all about turning my crew into the X-Men. So I'm back with another episode of turning my crew into the X-Men. And in this video, TJ is learning how to make Magneto. So I started by using plastic grocery bags and layering them over TJ's chest. And then I used masking tape over the plastic grocery bags. Then I drew out the design for the Magneto chest armor plate. I don't really know what to call it, but it's what Magneto wears in the X-Men comics and in the X-Men cartoons. So I drew out the design for that and cut it out and made it into a pattern. And from there, I let TJ trace that pattern onto EVA foam and create all of the circles and glue them into place to create the Magneto piece. After that process was finished, I used this moment to teach TJ how to prime EVA foam with plastic dip. So we took the piece outside onto my back porch, and I was coaching and instructing TJ on how to use plastic dip and get some good coats and good coverage for priming the EVA foam. Check it out. More coverage, so it's all good. Stay a little bit longer in the spot that you're spraying. Like you don't have to move so quick past it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, like that. There you go. And you see how it just like improved that coat that you already put down? So it's like, yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful. And then also when you're doing stuff like this, you spray painting or you doing plastic dip on pieces that have like 3D effects and like different curves and levels. You want to turn the mannequin sideways and put the left shoulder towards you, just like that. Now you'll be able to reach these little crevices with the can. So like get in there with the crevices and in the crevices and just like, yeah, exactly. So that underside and the sides get painted too. And then don't put your can so close to the area you painting. Okay. Yep.
Yeah, the precision is what I found difficult.
Oh, for sure. It takes practice.
Yeah.
A good rule is like about 6 to 8 inches away. Yeah. Yeah, that was good. And after the priming process was done, TJ took that piece home and painted it, and then came back the next day and we finished up. But this next clip you're gonna see is Ashley helping TJ make his Magneto bracers.
Making it happen. We can put some music on.
Yeah, man, my DJ is whack.
Down with it. Yeah. Alright. Well, then that's clean.
Whatever we need.
Biggest boss when I've been in trouble. I'm a bigger problem when I click with script. Murder on my mind.
Then after the bracers were made and painted, I bought TJ a long sleeve red shirt, and he had an idea for some pants that would work really well for this cosplay. So he bought those pants, and he already had the boots. So that was great. So the only thing left for me to do was to make TJ a cape for Magneto. So I made that cape, and the whole outfit came together.
Damn, and I keep going off of
Yeah,
oh.
That's gonna be dope. You already look cool, and like it's just a test fitting.
Yeah.
That's gonna be cool. Make a loop, make a circle with your body, circle around, rotate.
How you gonna tell him to make a circle? Nobody would have known to turn around.
Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, it's gonna be dope.
I always forget there's a stuff
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I don't come in here often, so.
Yeah, for sure. You look good. Dope.
I'm gonna be flicking this cape and walking away all the time.
That's what's up. It looks good. Come back. Let me get another shot of you. Yeah. Magneto's done. Hey, good stuff. Yeah, it looks good. It's effective.
Sweet.
That's what's up. So after the cape was done, the whole outfit came together very nicely. And last but not least, check out this clip of TJ, the intro for X-Men, him looking fierce as Magneto. Here's a sneak peek.
Previously on X-Men.
And there you have it. That's how I helped TJ bring his Magneto to life. He looked really awesome at the video shoot, and I can't wait for you all to see the complete project, the complete dance short film, the X-Men short film that we're producing. And I'm in the process of finishing the edits, so it's all gonna look very cool and amazing. Can't wait for you to see it. Until then, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. And I'll see you next time. Peace.